So in this video, you'll learn how to view and use your keyboard shortcuts on CapCut Pro. So as you can see, I've already opened a project, and if I want to make my editing life easier, then using keyboard shortcuts can really help. So if you want to view your keyboard shortcuts, you can do this in two ways. The first is coming to menu, and then under menu, you want to go and select help. And under help, you want to select shortcuts. So this will bring you the shortcuts menu. Alternatively, you can always just come to this shortcuts option up top and select it. Either way, you'll be given this menu. So from here, you can see I have shortcuts available for me to use. So for example, if I wanted to split my video, it is just a simple Control B. So I'll just select my video, do Control B, and wherever this timeline is where the split will happen. Then I can move forward and Control B again, and the timeline will be split. So it's up to you to go through these different shortcuts and learn how to use them. Alternatively, if you don't like how the shortcuts look like, or if you want to adjust them, you can do this easily. So you should see this option, Shortcut 1, which is the first set of shortcuts you can use. So when you click on it and select Shortcut 2, again, another preset for different shortcuts you can apply. So now, instead of it being Control B, it's now Control K. Again, you should see the same when you select Shortcut 3, Shortcut 4, and Shortcut 5. If you want to customize them, it's very simple. Simply select a shortcut group, then come here, and then click on this X button to remove what's currently there. And then enter it is what you want to use as a shortcut. So for example, Control S. Now, whenever I press Control S, it will automatically split at that specific point. If you want to go back, you can still do the same thing and customize all these other shortcuts to your liking. When you're done, ensure that you click on Save to apply the changes. Bear in mind that these shortcuts you're seeing right now are just for timeline. You also have the option for changing the shortcuts for player, for basic, and for any other things that you might want to do on your project. So now just come through the different sections and customize them to your liking. Again, ensure that you click on Save to apply your changes. So now, whenever you customize, you can just come and do your editing process, all while using shortcuts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.